Hi guys, this is Justin Lake, and this is my program completion timeline uh, presentation for you guys. I began my education career when I was enrolled at Baker University my freshman year in undergrad. I took an intro to ed class and an intro to business class and quickly realized education was for me. In 2010, I graduated from Baker with degrees in physical education and secondary education. In the fall of that year, I wasn't able to find a teaching job, so I got a para job in the Turner Unified School District in Kansas City, Kansas. I was a para and I coached high school football and middle school track there. The following year, I was lucky to fall into an open elementary PE job in the district. It was actually the Early Learning Center, so my first teaching job was 13 kindergarten classes. The following year, they turned the Early Learning Center into a sixth grade academy. A different PE teacher in the district really wanted to be there, and I really wanted to be at a regular elementary, so we just swapped roles. And I went on over to Junction Elementary, where I taught K through 5 PE for a handful of years. In the summer of 2017, I started my master's at Fort Hays State. That fall, actually left Turner. My wife and I moved out to the country in Missouri, and I got a job closer to our house at a small country school district called Sherwood Cass R8. When I was there, I taught 2 hours of high school weights every morning, followed by K through 4 PE the rest of the day. I also coached 3 sports, football, basketball, and track while I was there. During my time at Sherwood, in those 4 years, I had great admin that helped me accomplish all of the 150 hours worth of admin responsibilities required for this course. The superintendent was great. I was able to be on the superintendent advisory committee where I learned a lot about district level stuff. In 2021, I actually left Sherwood. I was given the opportunity to go work for a principal I'd previously worked for in Turner in the Shawnee Mission School District at Prairie Elementary. And honestly, I would challenge anybody in the metro area. I think I have the best elementary PE job in the entire KC Metro. In 2022, I decided to finalize my degree and finally graduate and take this course to kind of help me get over the e-portfolio hump. We had just had a baby right when COVID started, and the combination of the baby and COVID and how crazy school was for those first couple of years, I kind of something had to give, and it just had to be my master's. So here I am, decided to get this bad boy over with and graduate in the winter. In 2023, that would be the earliest I'd be willing to be an admin. It would have to be a really great job because, like I said, I love the elementary school where I'm at right now. But definitely, if there's one close to me, closer to my home, I don't like driving an hour to work every day. So if the right one opens up, I would definitely be all about it. And I would like to retire around the age of 60 so I can enjoy some time with my family and friends. Thanks for listening.